Welcome to Code as Teach, your topics, our views. In this video, I will try to cover the topics related to how to find the available book slot for the COVID vaccinations, how to book the available slots based upon the different criteria like your age, the types of vaccine like Covishield, Covaxin, other different parameters. So I will be covering these two parts. First, what are the exposed public API, how we can consume it using this Python scripts. So first let's see how if you want to book a slot, how it works. So if you go to this covin.gov.in site, it gives you three options. You can search it by map, you can search it by pin if you know this, or you can search it by the districts. Okay. So if you select something like, let's say I'm selecting Bihar and selecting the district as a Patna, because right now I'm in there. So if you see here, let's say now if you click on the search, it gives the different options. Like see, for age 18 plus, 45 plus, the available the booking slots, the different places where bookings are there, but most of them are booked. Okay, in some of the place it is there. So you can book this based upon these parameters. Okay, you can also put some criteria like age 18 plus, Covishield, you only want Covishield, then you can give the details. Okay. Now this is for the reason is we have to refresh this page every time. Otherwise we will get the old data. We are not getting the correct data. So how to automate this? So for this they have one open APIs, because everyone can use this APIs and try to consume this data. So if you click here open API, it will redirect you to another page like apisetu.gov.in public marketplace API COVID. It contains all these public API which we can consume in any application. Okay. So if you see here, if you take the example of this one, like selecting any state and then their districts and based upon the search, it's easier because everyone does not know the PIN. So based upon this district, you can find the places near your, your home or somewhere, and you can get the vaccination done. So let's take the example of this. So for this, we have to first get the state ID, and based upon the state, we can get the district ID. And okay, let's see how it works. So if you go here, okay, so there is different method like you can get the states, you pass the state ID, it gives you the district. You can find by PIN. If you see here, for this method, search by PIN, okay, you can use this API. For find by district, we can use this API. Find by lat long, it means that your latitude and longitude. For map, calendar by PIN, we can check this, right? Let's see. First, let's say how to get the state. We click here, get the state. Click here, type. This one is not required. Click on the execute. It will give you the request URL. If you select here request URL, copy it and open in a new tab. It will return you the JSON. See, it's giving you the JSON. Copy the whole things. Okay. Now I have already made one JSON file. Go to the state.json, paste it. By default, it's not formatted. Right click on and say format document. It will format into the JSON format, right? For let's say for this, we have a state ID as 5. Okay, so we have got the state ID as 5 for Bihar. Now go to the again. Okay, we have found out the state ID. Based upon your state, you can find out the state ID. Now we have to find the district, right? For this, we have to click on here. Let's say try it out. This one is the based upon if you are in US, you can get this done. We click on here, get the request URL again, run it. Here your state is 5, right? So you can pass 5. It gives you all the districts in the particular state. Okay. Now go here again. Go to the district one. Paste it again. By default, in a single line. Right click. Do it format document. Okay. So it is find all the districts of the current state. Okay. Okay. So let's check for the Patna. And if you go there, okay, it's the state district ID is 97. Okay, so we are able to find it out the district ID. Now we have to get the result. So what are the different results we can get? For getting this result, we have to use this API, right? For find by district. Click on this. Click on try it out. You can put it here all the details, but I am not putting this. Let's put here and find it out here. Copy this file. Copy this request URL. Okay, now you can change here. Your district ID is 97. So you can put something like 97 and the date is current date. You can put the current date or the whichever date you want. So let's say 6 June, right? Press the enter. It gives you all the details of the particular locations where the vaccines are available or booked. Okay, so copy this result file also. It's taking the time. Okay, now go to this result one, paste it here. Okay, right click, go to the format document. So if you see here, okay, by default it's a dictionary which key is session and all the results are values. So it contains center ID, the name of the center, their address, state name, district name, block name, pin code, okay, session ID, date. So whatever we need, like available capacity is 0, it means that the slots are already booked. It's free or paid. You can check this free type. Okay, you can check the minimum age limit is 45. The available vaccine type like Covaxin or Covishield. So it gives you all the details. And for getting it automate, we have to read this file or read these details, and based upon the different criteria, if you want, suppose if you want the minimum age limit should be greater than 18 and I need only Covaxin, so we can put these two conditions and get the details. Now let's see how to write this simple code in a Python to get it automated. So if we go here, okay, so because we have to consume this request, right? For this we have to import the request. So by default, if you have not installed this, then you have to do something like pip install request, right? But I have already installed it. So first thing we have to import this, import request, right? We have import request. Okay. Now we need two parameters, as you already know. If you see here, we need two parameters, district ID and the date. Okay. Let's take the district ID. For our case, it's 97. Let's take the date. Date is 06/06 and 2021. Simple. We have taken these two parameters. Now we have to take this URL. So say request URL. Okay, we can copy the same URL. Okay, paste it in the single quotes. Okay, now these two are fixed. We don't want these two are to fix. So we can put it here placeholder. Okay, we can directly also pass. We know that, but we let's say we can do it in this format and then pass these two parameters. First is district ID, the second is date. So we have created the request URL. Okay. Now let's create one method. We can also pass the header. If you know the header, you can get the header from here, but that's not required. But you can pass. So let's create one method of the functions like vaccine slot finder, right? Okay, let's check the counter. Let's check counter. So to 0, by default 0. Okay. So first thing we have to call this request. Okay. And it will give some result. So let's say result is equal to request.get. Request.get, it needs one parameter URL and also pass the header also. So we have already have this request URL. You can pass this request URL and it will give you the result. Okay, semicolon is not required. Okay, so we have got the result, and then this result, it needs to be converted into JSON format because it's easier to read. So let's say response data equal to result.json. Simple. Now we get the JSON data of the result, right? Okay, I have already said you that this by default this is in a dictionary format. See here, this is a dictionary which has key sessions and all these are values. Okay, so I have already created a separate video how to access the different lists like dictionary or something. So here if you say that, you can say something like format data is equal to response data and then pass this session, right? We have passed the key and we can get the value. Now we have to iterate through these values. So let's say for data in format data, okay, we have to format it. Let's say we pass the something like the available capacity is greater than 0. So we can first get the all the locations or the places where we have few doses available. So we have to put this available capacity is greater than 0. Let's put this condition first and see. So if pass something like if data and then available capacity, okay, we get this value, then it should be greater than 0, right? Let's print first. We have to increase this counter because we have got this some values. Let's print something like data name of the place. Let's say their pin code, what kind of vaccination it's giving. So let's say something like vaccine. I'm not putting, if you see here in the result.json, it gives you all the details. So if you find vaccine, what kind of vaccine it's giving, you have to list vaccine. What is the minimum age limit? You can find it out. So let's put some of things and then try to understand it. So if you say something like print, okay, let's say how many available vaccines are there. So you can say something like available capacity. Let's print first thing and then return true. Okay, but if there is nothing, no any data, it means that counter is equal to 0. So no available slots are there. Okay. Now call this method. Let's put in a while condition. While vaccine slot finder. Let's sleep for the 5 seconds and then we'll try to search it again. So time dot, okay, so time for using this time we have to import this. So let's import time. Okay, you can sleep it for, let's say, 5 seconds and then search it. Simple. Let's run this and see the result. See, there is only one AIIMS Patna Covaxin 115 is, we are able to find it out, right? Now let's check on the site whether it is giving the correct result or not. So if you go here, you can search it again. See here, it's giving AIIMS Patna. These, if you see here, the available site capacity is 112. It's giving 112. The pin code is 801505. It's giving the correct result. Okay. So we can, so this way you can put any number of conditions. Suppose I need only the capacity or the for age 18 plus. So we can put here data. Okay. So for getting the minimum age, we have to go here. It contains something like minimum age limit. Okay. So if you controls, we run this, we pass this way greater than 18. Like, let's run this. No available slots. So if you check here, 18 plus. So if you see here, there is no available slot. All are booked. Okay. So this is the simple way to consume this public API. Thank you for watching this. If you have any query, you can contact me. If you like the video, please like it. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.